Most people think that costly foods are healthy, but is that really true? Do we really have to spend more money to get more nutritious food? To decide on that, today we'll do a nutri battle between apple, a costly fruit, with guava, a relatively cheaper fruit. I'm Dr. Ayappa, I'm an ophthalmologist, and by the end of the video, we'll get to know if we can have a guava instead of an apple to keep the doctor away. In this nutri battle, there are 5 rounds. In each round, we compare one major nutrient group in each fruit. The fruit that wins the round will get 1 point, and after 5 rounds, the fruit with the highest number of points will be the winner. All the values are based on ICMR's food composition tables. So grab your favorite fruit and let's start the battle. Round 1. Macronutrients and fiber. The major macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These are the major source of energy for our body, and dietary fiber helps in our gut health and prevents constipation. Let's start round 1. The blue bars are of guava, whereas the red bars are of apple. Apple is higher in carbs and fats, whereas guava is higher in protein and dietary fiber. As there is no clear winner, so both fruits get 1 point each. Let's go to round 2. Water-soluble vitamins. Vitamins are important in maintaining optimum health. They can be water-soluble or fat-soluble. In this round, we'll compare the water-soluble vitamins, which are vitamin C and vitamin B complex. As we can see, guava is rich in almost all the water-soluble vitamins. So the winner for this round is guava, and guava leads the battle with 2-1. Let's go to round 3. Round 3. Fat-soluble vitamins. The fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K, and they are crucial for our vision, bone health, immune function and coagulation. Vitamin D and K are marginally higher in guava, whereas vitamin E is higher in apple. Although guava seems better overall, we'll give 1 point for each, or else the apple lovers will protest. Round 4. Carotenoids. Carotenoids are antioxidants that lower inflammation in the body. The major carotenoids are beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein and zeaxanthin. Although apple is marginally better in lutein, guava is way ahead in terms of beta-carotene and total carotenoids. So guava gets another point and now has an unbeatable lead of 4-2. Now let's get into the last and final round. Round 5. Minerals. Minerals perform various functions, including keeping our bones, muscles, heart and brain work properly. They include calcium, iron, sodium, zinc and others. As we can see, guava is richer in almost all the minerals, whereas apple is better in molybdenum and chromium. Guava again is better overall and gets the last point. Guava has crushed apple with a 5-2 score, and the winner is guava. Wait. This doesn't mean that you should stop eating apples and start eating guavas from today. Both apple and guava are nutritious fruits. The point is this: the price tag of an item doesn't always reflect its nutritional value. In fact, most nutritious foods are affordable. Every day we get to know of some imported fruit that has immense health benefits. If you like the taste, buy them. But don't just spend extra money because you thought that they are more nutritious. Our local and seasonal fruits are as nutritious as these fruits, and you can buy them at a fractional cost of these imported fruits. So go regional and seasonal. By doing this, you'll also be supporting the local economy. See you in another nutritious video. Till then, as always, take care of your eyes.